I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump. First, let's prepare. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Gather all your necessary tools, including a drain pan, various wrenches, and a socket set. Remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental electrical issues. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get to the core of the replacement. Begin by carefully draining the engine coolant into a suitable container. This can be several gallons. Next, you'll need to relieve the tension on the serpentine belt and remove it from the water pump pulley. Finally, unfasten all the hoses connected to the pump and remove the mounting bolts that secure the old unit to the engine block. Keep track of all hardware. With the old pump removed, it's time for the new one. First, meticulously clean the mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a perfect seal. If your new pump requires it, apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant to the gasket or pump surface. Carefully position the new water pump with its fresh gasket and hand-tighten all the mounting bolts. Then, torque them to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 20 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reconnect all the hoses you removed and carefully reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed. Now, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, usually a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine, let it warm up and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, meticulously check for any leaks around the new water pump installation. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.